What's happening, guys? It's Jason from Aircooled Vintage Works, and you can see we got our 67 up here now. So why is it up here sitting in the driveway? Well, because we're going to build it right here, just like you guys do. So you build in the driveway or in the garage, we're going to build this car in the driveway or the garage. I'm going to show you that you can do almost everything we're going to do by yourself. So let's take a look at the car. The audio was a little messed up on the last video, but let's do it again. So this car was originally a black car, and you can see that over time it's really faded out. So you've got all this factory grade primer here, lots of cool burn through on the door and the roof and on the hood and pretty much everywhere. So we're going to leave all that. We're going to polish this car up just like we do with most of our other projects, and you'll get to see how we do that. But it's worth walking around and checking this Survivor car out. So you can see here under the hood, factory spare, factory gas tank. Cool thing about this car is that it's never been hit. Aprons have never been cut off of it. It's really in good Survivor shape. You can see original sticker right here, tells you the color with Schwarz, which is black. All of this stuff's all original. We'll probably get rid of most of it, but it's cool just to document it so you can see what a Survivor car should look like. These days, not too many of these around anymore. Inside, lots of original black paint all over the doors, all over the dash, factory red interior. Let me jump on the other side so you guys can get a better look at it. But, you know, not much left, but still factory black on red car, which is cool, rare, hard to find for sure. Being a 67, you know, it's kind of a cool year to build a Callooker out of, which is what we're going to do. But again, good to document what a Survivor car looks like. But all the cool 67 stuff still here. You got those factory seat belts, which were sort of a one-year only deal. That's all here. Factory 67 seats, which kind of hard to find these days if you need them, but this one's got it. Factory pop-outs, which is cool. And then this is one thing I really like about this car. It's still got the dealership sticker on the back of the deck lid here where it came from, which is in Montana. And that's where I got it from, so you know it's legit. Factory 67 bumper, factory reverse lights. It's even got the factory motor still in it. I don't know if it runs. I really don't care. It's going to come out, and we're going to put a 2-liter with IDAs in here. But this is pretty cool. This is the only car I've ever seen that came equipped with a block heater. This is a plug for cold weather. You just plug it in, and there's a little element on the bottom of the case that warms up the oil for you. I mean, cool, but, you know, what are you going to do with it? I don't know. But it's a really neat car. It's got a lot of cool history. It's going to be fun to build what I'm going to build out of it, which is why I grabbed it. And I hope you guys are going to watch this and enjoy it too. So it'll be all over Instagram. It'll be all over YouTube. You can pretty much find us everywhere at Aircooled Vintage Works. You'll see this car and a lot of other projects that we got going on right now too during the build stages. I think you guys are going to enjoy watching this, so stay tuned.